Twin Disc made the strategic decision to come to Lufkin to move their industrial product line from Racine, Wisconsin. Twin Disc has their main headquarters in Racine, Wisconsin. They have 5 other operations in Europe, but they've never expanded outside of Racine, Wisconsin in the States. They have strategically decided to move their industrial product line here to Lufkin, Texas. The city of Lufkin has been very accommodating to Twin Disc. We've worked together to start building this wonderful building. The city approved the expenditures to build this building, and so it's been very good working with the city. We've gotten a lot of support from the different agencies and all around town, so it's been very good. As the business grows, we plan to ramp that up, and hopefully someday we'll have 50 jobs here in this facility.